The goal of the puzzle is obviously to fit all the parts inside of the frame. But as you can see, the frame has some crazy restrictions. There are 3 parts here attached to the walls. You can't move them. You have to find a way how to avoid them, or how to put the parts around them and fit all 4 parts inside. And it looks really, really difficult, since I can easily put 2 parts, but then the 3rd piece is absolutely crazy. It is too large to go inside, and I still have another piece that I have to fit inside. This absolutely fantastic puzzle is called Cubi 18. This puzzle was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Pelican in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. So it is quite an interesting packing puzzle, which will be not that easy to solve. If you like the Cubi 18 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. So first of all, you grab this piece. It looks absolutely the same from 2 sides. And you just drop it down. Then you move it right in here. Then you grab this piece like that. Put it inside like this. And you have to rotate it and stick it inside. The next one will be this part. Seems like there is no space to fit it inside. But if you put it like that, and again rotate, it goes easily inside. And then the last piece, it goes right in here, and the puzzle is solved. All the parts are inside of the frame, no parts are sticking out. If you like the Cubi 18 puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from Frederick Boucher, go to puzzlemaster.ca.